Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan said that proper benefits will be made available to the people only when Health and Family Welfare Department work together with an understanding. Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan made the statement during Felicitation Cum Interaction program with the official of Family Welfare Department at the Department Conference Hall organized by Family Welfare Department today. Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan further said that he has been working as the Health Minister since the last 2.5 months. Nonetheless, the state government under the leadership of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh is taking up various developmental works to provide better benefits to the people of the state. He said state government will also try to fill in the requirements of the Health and Family Welfare Department as well as facilities to discuss when any problem arises. Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan urged the official of the department to think the office as their own and also to keep it neat and clean. On the other hand, Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan said COVID-19 booster dose vaccination for Manipur state will begin from tomorrow at government-run clinics and vaccination centers. Replying to media query while coming to attend a function, Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan further said that vaccination response for Manipur is very slow from before. However, there is instruction from the state government side for house-to-house COVID vaccination. The Health Minister also said that the state government will discuss on increasing the vaccination centers, which will begin from tomorrow after going through the percentages of people turning up for the free booster vaccination. Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan urged those who have not yet vaccinated COVID-19 first dose to get vaccinated and added that COVID virus has not yet been eradicated 100%. Therefore, concerned department officials are prepared to vaccinate the public and appeal to the public to give support in vaccinating COVID vaccine.
Increase the khotpa they will adu planning do koi choiden tawjagani aga sojiki 18 plus is the 60 plus mu de handa yare 18 dagina hojiki 59 60 18 dagina 59 bogi kino do sigi block si kayamuk yamna to tholok padugi response mantungin and mayam da inga si media gi choose an appeal tawjadi de bus koi booster khaktana tab koi mayam bari the lady even first dose for gap 3 ba ana mayam chanbiruna koi COVID ki hojika mo kaji haigalaiba ni hojiksi COVID is not over as yet and koi vaccine je koi han dagi adom kano tawnam lap ko do koi ki officials saying they are always there adom ready to leirabani and vaccines idang di mayam kapthok piu haidana I appeal tawjage and vaccine adom time to time akoi ki need based to adom adagi adom